Don't download Databox Enterprise Dashboard Suite app before watching this. Before you download Databox Enterprise Dashboard Suite, here's what most businesses get wrong. It's not just a dashboard tool. At the enterprise level, Databox consolidates metrics from multiple platforms, provides real-time alerts, and visualized CPAs, but without proper setup, it can overwhelm teams. Step 1. Define KPIs and metrics. Decide which numbers matter for sales, marketing, and operations. Most people get this wrong by trying to track everything, creating cluttered dashboards. Step 2. Connect data sources. Integrate CRM, marketing platforms, analytics, and other tools. The surprising truth is, incomplete integration results in blind spots and misleading insights. Step 3. Design intuitive dashboards. Tailor views for executives, managers, and team members. Poor design leads to ignored dashboards and wasted effort. Step 4. Automate reporting and alerts. Set up notifications for key metric changes. Teams that skip automation risk missing critical trends. Step 5. Monitor usage and adjust. Track adoption, performance, and feedback to refine dashboards. Without this, ROI on the tool decreases quickly. The upside: proper Databox enterprise use can improve decision-making speed, increase TB visibility by up to 40%, and align teams around common goals. So should you download it? Yes, but only if your organization defines TBs clearly, integrates sources fully, designs user-friendly dashboards, automates alerts, and monitors adoption. For smaller teams, standard Databox plans may suffice. Subscribe for actionable insights on maximizing enterprise dashboard performance.